This is Danny Vegas. We are right in the middle of our event at the Blue Martini.
At the Blue Martini.
Right now, as we're speaking.
Exactly.
Going on right now.
Hundreds of people inside. If you didn't make it out, you missed a great event tonight.
It was a great event. In fact, what's so cool, what is the coolest thing since sliced bread, is next week we're doing an encore at the Blue Martini. Right here, right now. Roxanne, why don't you tell us about it? Because I'm just too excited to even...
He's too excited to even talk.
I'm like a deer in the headlights.
I literally had to pull him from hundreds of people tonight. So, here's what we're going to do. Next Tuesday evening, don't forget, Danny Vegas Live Tuesday. Join us here at Town Square, one of the smartest areas in Las Vegas. Right here off of Las Vegas Boulevard at Blue Martini. We're going to have tons of people for you to meet. And this month, it is not too late. Sponsor, sponsor, sponsor. We've got some of the biggest events coming up this month, and next month is going to be a blow your socks off.
It's amazing. This is the ultimate office party at the ultimate party place, man.
It is.
It's an unbelievable venue. It's the first time we were here. I'm just rocking. Right now, I can't even walk through my own event because there's so many people here. I can't even walk through it. So many new people. They don't even know who I am. Can you imagine that?
I know you know Danny Vegas.
They don't even know who I am.
Come on out next Tuesday. We're wrapping it up right now. Thank you for joining us. Probably a little bit less than 180, but we'll see you
at
Blue Martini on July the 12th. That's a Tuesday night. Mark your calendar. Thanks so much. We'll see you there.
I'm Danny Vegas.
I'm Roxanne Monet.
We are out. I gotta get back.